A 72-year-old woman and a 22-year-old man were held at gunpoint after leaving a grocery store in Galveston. Both were pistol whipped and robbed. This happened along Seawall Boulevard. KPRC2's Kathy Hernandez has the latest in the investigation.
Good afternoon. The attack so disturbing and so bad that woman had to be hospitalized.
It's horrifying and so frightening to think that, well, that anybody does that to anybody, especially someone with some age.
Police are searching for two men who attacked a 72-year-old woman in this parking lot.
They're disgusting, absolutely disgusting. Give me a break. It's a risk, and it's really bad. You know, you can't even go shopping and be safe anymore.
It happened at the Kroger on the Seawall at about 10 last night.
The individuals were putting groceries in their car. They had just been shopping at the Kroger.
Two men held the 72-year-old and a 22-year-old man who was with her at gunpoint.
They forced the elderly lady into the vehicle, and then the young man onto the ground.
Police say the men hit the victims multiple times with their guns before getting away with jewelry.
They're obviously violent. We need to get them off the street.
Paramedics took the elderly woman to the hospital in stable condition with injuries to her face. The other victim was treated at the scene.
Someone sounds pretty heartless, and you know, maybe someone who's extremely desperate. You know, you try to understand the other side sometimes if it's pretty difficult to do.
Police say the robbers both had facial tattoos. One was wearing all black, the other a red hoodie. They got away in a white sedan, possibly a Honda without a rear license plate. If you know anything, please call police. Reporting in Galveston, Kathy Hernandez, KPRC 2 News.